So now let's learn how to use tags, custom fields, and custom values to segment and store contact info in Zapify.io. So first, let's open a contact. So let's click through this and type a tag name. So a VIP client. So next, let's go to settings and the custom fields to create fields like service interested or referral source. Next is let's go to custom values to store usable info like your business phone or offer name that can be used across hotel nations. So you just add the custom value, enter the name, the value, and then click create.